Hey everyone, welcome back. This evening I'm using Shannon Soap's Silk Pajamas. Now the scent notes on this are tobacco blossom, citrus, and rose. Off the puck, I definitely get the tobacco blossom. Once lathered up, the rose kind of shines through a bit more. I did check, and this is still available at the Razor Company. It is, I want to make sure this is right, $15.95 for 4 ounces, and this is in the premium goat milk base. I used this a few times. It's been a while, but I love the scent. I'm a big fan of tobacco. Now the brush this evening is going to be a SmilezforMilez wasp tail. You can see, get that right there. SmilezforMilez coin. This is a tester knot. I don't know if you ever ended up carrying those or not. I honestly don't know. The razor this evening is going to be the black IBC. And I have everything whipped up in the Fine Accoutrements lather bowl. I don't have the matching splash for this. Wasn't sure I like the scent when I ordered the soap, so I'll be finishing off with the St. Charles Shave of St. Louis, Missouri Savory Rose. This is a kind of a powdery rose scent. I've used that before on the channel. Very nice rose. Did a little misting, and then we'll get going here. Now this knot has a lot of backbone to it. So for me, it's not a great face lathering brush, but it's a phenomenal bolt lather. It whipped up this Shannon's super fast. And you can see it has really good flow through, or how well it releases the lather. Again, why this is a really good bold lathering brush for me. You can see that sheen, hopefully. My lighting here is garbage. But really good sheen on this soap. If you haven't used Shannon's, why? Seriously, why? It's good stuff, really good stuff. They'd be, I don't know if they're in my top 5 necessarily, just because I haven't used them as much as I have other soaps. The quality is definitely there for top 5 for me. And you can see, like I did with the my last video with Hair to Chill, it's blooping while I'm shaving. Passes a UN test. And of course rinses off beautifully. Trying to avoid that again tonight. But we're in my hand. And a little sponge. Not yet. I think the blade in here is a Feather Pro. I don't know if I've used a Pro Super recently. It's been a little bit since I've used a Pro Super. Like I also said in my last video, I'm a big fan of the Pro Guards. Do I think the guard blades are necessary for a good shave? No. I think they have just a little bit of extra sharpness to them, potentially. That could be my mind playing a trick on me. Because of the guards, they have that different feel to them. But this is just exceptionally smooth. Don't know what use this is on that blade. Doesn't really matter. Still going strong. Go back to the bowl because I have plenty. And Shannon's is, when whipped up, like I have it here, it's a little bit thicker, dense lather, but still exceptionally slick, which is how I like my lathers. I'm becoming, I kind of go through phases like a lot of people do, I guess. Sometimes I want that nice, thin, super slick lather. But recently, I'm getting to a point where I want that thick, kind of sour cream Greek yogurt-like lather with a good sheen to it, like Shannon's, Heritage Hill, HC&C, those kind of lathers provide. CK6, A&E. I'm not liking lathers that I get from like Decoration, Grooming. That's the one that comes to mind initially. You know, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the Decoration's a bad soap or it's a bad lather. It's just not the type of lather that I prefer. At least not right now. I like a nice, thick, creamy, slick lather. Much like you're seeing some Shannon's right here. Like I said, Shannon's is a phenomenal soap. It is getting a lot more recognition. I think a lot of it's because of people like CDB. And in all honesty, I probably wouldn't have purchased Shannon's when I did, if not for CDB and Mary the Barbarian. So gentlemen, thank you for turning me on to yet another phenomenal artisan. And I've spoken with Shannon and Brian a little bit here and there. Interact with them a little bit on the Facebook groups. They seem like really good people as well, so. Shannon's is out of Ohio. I'm a fan of Ohio. I like the state. I know a lot of people don't. I don't know why. But I've been to Ohio a couple times. I've been there for work, been there for fun. I like Ohio. In fact, at one time when I was unemployed, I was looking for work. I applied for numerous positions in Ohio. Specifically in Columbus. Because I love Columbus. Absolutely love Columbus, Ohio. One of my favorite cities. I also looked at places in St. Louis. Going to the right part of St. Louis, it's a really nice area. I have a good friend that's in Baldwin, which is really nice. I can't afford Baldwin, but it's a beautiful area. I think my background here is turned off. Man. My neighbor's, she's a dog trainer. Does in-home in-home boarding. From my understanding from people I've spoken with that have used her, she's really good too. There's times when I know I see numerous dogs in their backyard, barely ever hear them. My dog hears them occasionally. We'll go over and bark and, you know, do the normal dog thing. Have to get that part a little later on. And I can see. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Rinses very cleanly. Of course, I expected it to because it is very well hydrated. Just like I know it would because Shannon's is fantastic stuff. Again, if you haven't tried Shannon's, highly recommend it. Just a little bit of checking here. A little bit of cleanup right there. Not too much. Beautiful. Excellent shave. All right, so we'll just clean that. Do a quick rinse here. Getting lather, rinse stray whiskers, and the goatee or the Van Dyke, whatever you want to call it. Make sure you get it behind my ear there. Very nice. All right, so I'm just gonna finish off camera. Don't need to bore you guys here. I'll finish off with some witch hazel and, as mentioned, this splash. Fantastic shave. If you are interested in chivettes, I can highly recommend the IBC. It is very versatile. Though for me personally, I don't care for an injector blade in the IBC. The half DE is fine. It really trends with the AC blade. That's where these things are phenomenal for personal use with an artist club blade in there, whatever your personal favorite is. Shannon soaps, hard to go wrong with Shannon's. Phenomenal stuff. I have yet to smell a bad fragrance from Shannon's. Exceptional stuff there. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all next time.